Hi everyone, in this CLO video I'm going to show you one tip for when we're adding a new garment into an existing file. So I already have this file right here open. If I wanted to add another garment into this file, it would automatically just place it right on top of my avatar, at the center of my file, and right on top of the silhouette of my avatar in the 2D window. Which that's fine, I can always just move it out of the way, but one tip for just not having to do that is to adjust our settings just a little bit while we're adding that file in to have it placed off to the side. So I'm going to just add in this existing t-shirt that's in our library in our garment folder, and I'm just going to right click on it, add to workspace. You can also double click on it and choose add. And then normally all of these are at 0 for the XY axis. This is saying where we want it to be placed in the XY axis. So if we were looking at our file as if it were a grid, 0, 0, 0 would be right here at the center where our avatar is. That's where everything is automatically placed. But if I wanted it to be placed off to the side, maybe to the right of my avatar, then I could type in like 2 meters on the x-axis and it would be placed 2 meters over here. If I wanted to change the height of where it was placed on the y-axis, then I could adjust that. Or if I wanted to adjust where it was placed depth-wise, that would be z. So I can also change the unit of measurement here, but I'm just going to leave that and choose OK. And now it was placed 2 meters off to the side in my 3D window and in my 2D window. So that's just a tip so that you don't have to have it placed right on top of each other. That way you can have it placed more organized in our 2D window. And also if you wanted to add multiple garments next to each other in our 3D window, we can do that too. And so you can always move it around if you don't do this, or if you want to continue to move it around by clicking and dragging, especially in our 2D window, that's easier to do, and then continue to move in the 3D window, in the 2D window, anywhere you want. But I just think that that tip is helpful sometimes when you're adding a garment in. Thanks.